So one or two challenges still remain, not least of which is this rather large tree root. It's an ash and the root goes there underneath the cottage, but we've got a local company, a specialist in removing tree roots, are going to come and grind that away for us. You can see the kind of conditions that we're working in with all the wet weather, and having now today we've cleared all the soil from inside the cottage, so the focus has turned to the privy, and there's a lot of fallen stone and soil to be cleared, so the team are now currently doing that, as you can see. But it's manual work and pretty hard going, but slowly but surely we're building another stone mountain. But that's the privy and what was a pigsty beneath, so we're just removing all the stone and soil that's fallen down inside the privy to make a tidy area for working. The leeward arm of the canal, and thankfully it stopped raining. Our shelter and the cottage. So stage one completed, ready for the builder to create the site and to get the scaffolding erected.